Assalamu alaikum. World GSM 10. Today's subject JT Palette A54 drum file by unlock tool. Dead mode 100% working. If mobile problem, I may repair and bootloader unlocking this mobile dead only SPD show, but no problem. I have solution and file unlock tool using just flashing drum file flashing now. Mobile is running. Any problem? Email and WhatsApp chat now 24-hour service. Okay. Next, Moto G50 5G XT2149 Frp file 100% working and remotely working but paid file not sell, just remotely working. Next, Moto G50 X2349 Frp working, just download, remote service 100% working. Next, G70 Moto Frp remote service but no problem. Download and email on WhatsApp are now 24 hours. Next, Moto G73. Okay, my GSM friend, at first my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment on Facebook, share. Any problem, any solution, any file you need, any tool recent, 24-hour service, okay, only for WhatsApps are now. I am ready only for service, 24-hour service, okay. I am very confused. My YouTube channel description and no link, just a link comment box, no link, no result, just any browser open now. You see the goal now. This right now Borsha Mobile, the Borsha Mobile, okay, Borsha Mobile download this easy solution system is very emergency need, just one click, okay. Any problem, just and same model. If model G50, oh magic system, magic, search one click, mouse working. Please just a minute wait. Okay, model, okay, ready. Any model, just one click and email on WhatsApp. Shut down 24-hour service. Okay. Good night, all GSM friend.